You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Italian region. Yes, indeed, one of the famous regions of Italy. If you want to learn more Italian geography names, stay tuned. Marche. Yes, I know. The spelling is Marche or Marche maybe, but CH in Italian is pronounced like a K. A C is pronounced like CH. So yes, it's kind of reverse, but that's how it goes. Remember that. CH is like K, C is like CH. So Marche. How to pronounce the Italian pronunciation? Marche. Marche. Stress on the ma syllable. In English, therefore, Marche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.